was before you got all these baby cars and baby stuff everywhere. Baby.
You got the hiccups?
Got my pushchair and I can't put them in it.